legit put this thing on my forehead. Please disregard this ending of the video because this is where I messed up at. Hey dolls, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll be installing one of our custom lace frontal wigs handmade by me. And the hair that we'll be installing is from our classic collection, which is the deep wave hair. It includes 3 bundles and a lace frontal. So just watch me install this hair. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and see you soon. Alright, so I got interrupted, so I couldn't show y'all how I put this thing on. But I can put this, I don't know, we'll figure it out. So, yeah. So currently I'm using the active line. I haven't touched this in months, so we'll see. I'm trying to see what the hell's the difference between this one and the cream, the extreme cream. Yeah, I put this shit way too close to my forehead. Way too close. So I'm just fixing the free edge areas that I felt on my end when it came to applying. That time that they real close to my forehead. I mean, it's on my forehead already. I apologize for these choppy videos. I try to make it more of a fast forward video, but I guess with it being such a large file and I'm using my phone to record it and sending it to my laptop, it makes such a big difference when it comes to quality of making it fast forward. Yeah, I'm sorry for all the tech talk. I barely know what the heck I'm saying, but it's poorly executed on what I wanted it to look like. So I hope you guys are still enjoying this video. I'm currently just fixing it, and yes, don't tell me, I know it's on my forehead. Okay? Okay. Okay. I legit put this thing on my forehead. Please disregard this ending of the video because this is where I messed up at. However, yeah, let me still show y'all. Look, you can't see nothing. I'm so disappointed in myself, y'all. It's not even funny. Okay, so yeah, what shall I do? Throw this in. I'm gonna go ahead and put some little few pieces of it. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and style this hair to the side. I'm gonna wait for this thing to dry. Alright, so I'm done dealing with my hair because I'm over it, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm trying to untie this. It's not cooperating with me. It's gonna make me untie the knot. It's gonna make me untie the knot. It is going to make me untie the knot. Yes, you're going to untie yourself. Great job. Great job. Alright, so this is my knee high. And like I said, you could literally, like, if you don't feel like wearing a headband or whatever, you could wear this. This saves my life because I find as if it helps it melt even more. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on my hairline. So this is not the finished look. It's still in the process of drying and curing. It says that you're supposed to only have it cured for 24 hours. I'm not gonna put nothing, no mousse, no nothing on it, because I need this thing to stay until Sunday, okay? And it's only Thursday, and I know it's gonna sweat, so I'm like, God, please have mercy on me. But yeah, so guys, if you guys love this tutorial and like to see more, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, just so you can get any notification about any videos that I'm gonna post. Also, if you guys have any suggestions or any ideas of what videos that you guys would like me for me to create for you guys to see, you guys can list it on the comments below. If y'all like this, like, you feel me? Y'all can tell a girl, tell her, because I know she's just been messing up a little bit lately and she's not been feeling confident lately. However, she's trying to get her life together. You feel me? So yeah. Yeah, I look cute. I feel good. I feel good. I feel good. I feel great. She's cute, she's a 10, she's alive. Yes, baby. Alright, y'all. See y'all later, because I need to go to Target.
That's cool on the beat.